Happy San Valentine to everybody. And I will always love you. Hello, welcome back guys. One of the most important days of the year is coming, San Valentine, don't worry. Chef Paolo Gaccicore, I'm gonna show you today one of the most delicious and aphrodisiac recipe you can cook for your beloved to really impress her or him. Super simple, super easy and super delicious. We are talking about oyster, guys, and today we're gonna make a special oyster with a panure of crumble bread and amazing sauce of sparkling prosecco and just a simple green onion. First thing first, guys, we prepare the cream of the cipollotto. Let's go. We take our cipollotto and we cut the first layer. Voila! This is something we will need later to garnish our bake. Then we take our cipollotto and we cut really thin. Then we put the butter inside this pan and we switch on the fire, medium low fire, and we make our butter melting. We can add all our cipollotto, guys, now, and we make it blonde and soft. In the meantime, our cipollotto is on heat. We need to prepare our oyster. My oysters are already clean. Small knife, we find the half and they do a small tick. Voila! Alright, our oysters are open and already plated. Now we finish this really nice sauce. And last ingredient we need to add is our sparkling white wine. Pinch of salt. Now 5 minutes we cook it in the way the alcohol will evaporate. Gonna remain only a really nice cream. And we're gonna roast our 100 grams of breadcrumb. Such an amazing smell. Your beloved gonna love this super easy but gourmet recipe. Let's make sure we make our bread crumbled, golden and crunchy. In the meantime, the first part of our big green onion, we cut some really small slice. We're gonna use as a decoration. Alright guys, our bread crumble is ready. So nice, guys. Let's put it here. And then we finish now our sauce. We put our nice sauce in a small container. Now we blend it. And here we are, guys. Time to finish our amazing special aphrodisiac oyster. So, some bread crumble on top. Now it's time to put our delicious sparkling prosecco wine and cipollotto sauce. Mamma mia! We finish with some garnish. Some black pepper on top. Our San Valentine super special oyster with a sauce of sparkling white wine are ready. Light up some candles for that special night to make everything perfect, and you can start your dinner with this perfect appetizer. Nice and super delicious. Mamma mia, ragazzi! The taste of the oyster combined with this really nice sweet and sour sauce of sparkling white wine and green onion, plus this crunch of the bread crumble, make it really delicious, guys. This is the perfect starter for a successful and unforgettable San Valentine dinner you can make to surprise your beloved. Check this recipe, follow my steps as usual. Super simple but super delicious. So, happy San Valentine to everybody and put always love in your life. Here, next time, next recipe. Se vedremo. Bye bye!